Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, the PSOJ, Paul B. Scott, is calling for a refining of the regulations surrounding how insurance companies can invest funds under their management. Mr. Scott made the call as he addressed business people at the PSOJ President's Breakfast at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in St. Andrew earlier today. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Our economy has structural deficiencies.
President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, Paul B. Scott, addressing a PSOJ breakfast seminar on Tuesday, telling his audience Jamaica can make a difference between having 1% and 4% growth each year.
The only way we're going to really develop and grow is that we don't rely upon foreign direct investment, but we have to increase domestic investment.
Mr. Scott says that domestic investment can come from funds held in insurance companies, but indicated they are tied up by regulations restricting how they are invested.
We are basically taking our savings and we're telling the stewards of our capital to put that capital effectively, as much as, this is literally what's happening, in cash under a bed. But the fact is, if you put $100 under the bed, it's still going to be $100 the next morning, but it's not going to employ anybody, it's not going to develop anything, and it's not going to lead to economic growth.
He's now calling for some of the restrictions to be relaxed, freeing up funds for domestic investing.
And we have to do it in a responsible way. We can't do it in a way that is completely irresponsible. Financial systems have to be protected, but at the same time, we can't have our national savings, our capital, just locked up and not allocated towards development.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The state-owned Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ, which had a presence in the country's retail petroleum sector, is looking to re-enter the market. A report on BN Americas, a Latin American business publication, made the revelation in a post today. Earlier this year, Managing Director of the PCJ, Winston Watson, indicated to the Business Day that the idea was under consideration. The Jamaican dollar posted further gains on Tuesday. With that gain, the US dollar is now selling for $126.29, its lowest value in the last 16 months. The Canadian dollar is selling for $99.30. Sterling cost $168.12, while the euro is going for $151.74. The JSE index closed down 818 points today, while the junior market index lost 119. Stocks posting gains today included Marita Investments, Cable and Wireless, Honeybun, Jetcon, Kingston Wharves, Proven Investments, Scotia Group and T-Tech. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, Lascar Distributor, Maybury Investments, NCB Financial Group, Portland JSX, Salada Foods and Supreme Ventures. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.